If you want to get the most out of your productivity system in Notion, don't skip the last step. It might seem small or unnecessary at first, but this final step is what separates a system that just looks good from a system that actually works for you. Today, I'm going to show you what that step is and how to make it part of your daily workflow so your Notion setup truly helps you organize your life. Most people spend hours creating dashboards, task lists, and databases, but then they forget to review and connect everything. The last step is all about reflection and alignment. It's taking a few minutes at the end of the day or week to check what you've completed, what's pending, and what needs attention next. Without this, tasks pile up, deadlines get missed, and your workspace starts to feel cluttered instead of helpful. Here's how to do it in Notion. Open your main dashboard and go through your task databases, your projects, and any ongoing goals. Check off completed tasks, move overdue items forward, and make notes on what you accomplished. Use your dashboard's views, like today, this week, or calendar, to get a quick visual of what's done and what's next. This helps you reset and plan intentionally for tomorrow instead of reacting last minute. Another part of this step is updating your notes and insights. Maybe you learned something during the day, had an idea for a project, or discovered a more efficient workflow. Add it to the relevant page, database, or your second brain section. Notion is most powerful when all your information is current and connected. Each update builds a stronger system that works for you instead of you working around it. Finally, take a moment to adjust priorities. Not all tasks and goals are equally important, and your energy changes daily. Use tags, properties, or even simple labels like high, medium, and low to reorganize your tasks. This ensures your next day starts with clarity and focus, not confusion. You'll feel in control because your system reflects reality, not just a static plan. Skipping this last step is like setting your GPS but never updating it when the traffic changes. You might get somewhere, but it won't be efficient. By reflecting, checking off, updating, and reprioritizing, you make your Notion setup a living system that actually supports productivity. Do this consistently, and over time, you'll notice your workflow feels smoother, your tasks are under control, and your goals move forward faster than ever. So remember, the final step isn't optional, it's the secret ingredient that turns your productivity setup from a plan into a real, working system. Don't skip it, and your Notion workflow will finally start working for you instead of against you.